Stage left.
My name is Philip Reynolds. I'm the system engineer for the Battleborn tour with the Killers. With the 9-truck tour that we're currently on, we start at 6:30 in the morning. The steel and the motors will go in about 8 o'clock. Audio will unload about 9. And from about 9 to 2 o'clock, it's a mad rush of everybody trying to get this stuff up in the time for sound check, line checks, and rehearsals. So in my rack, I've got two W Lake Elm 44s. I've got the RedNet 4, the RedNet 1, and 2 Mac Minis. I've got a primary and a backup. With the RedNet 1, I'm using the first 3 inputs as my support desk inputs, left, right, and solo bus. I'm also using input 7 and 8 to monitor video press feeds, hearing assist, things of that nature. I can actually monitor those inputs by the push of a button. When our motors are in the air ready to go, we'll start putting the speakers in the air.
Bring it up.
My job is to design the system for that room for that particular day. It's not just one thing for the whole tour. It's the whole new system every day, basically.
1, 2,
We roughly put up about 3,600 pounds for the main hang, 2,200 pounds for the side hang. So it's a lot of weight going in the air, and it's a lot to think about, a lot to double check everybody's work to make sure it's right. From there, we time, test, and tune the system. With the RedNet 4, I'm using 2 test microphones, Earthworks M23 and a Audix TM1. Just plugging the mic in and looking at the response, I was blown away. It was flat, perfectly flat. And smart, you're gonna see the preamp. If there's nothing plugged into it and it's gained up, you'll sometimes see just random frequencies jump. It doesn't do that. Like RedNet 4 is extremely clean. That's what sold me on the RedNet 4 within the first 30 seconds of using it. My next goal is to drive the PA with the RedNet 3 to be fully digital from the desk to the speaker. The quality of audio, it doesn't change from this device to that device to this. And instead of having a cable that big, we got 2 pieces of fiber that drive the entire PA with the primary backup all designed into it. When we're ready for line check, my job is to kind of sit back, let the engineer come in and take over from there.
Check, check.
My favorite thing about the job is when you have 120,000 kids screaming. It's just fun to watch the kids listen to what your job actually is. Just watching the show from the nosebleeds, it sounds the exact same there as it does in the front row. That's the thrill of my job, to make sure it's right for everybody.